Ready. Hello students, I am Sandhya Kalita, Senior Faculty CEC Head Office. Today I am going to present before you an interesting topic. So let's see what's about it. Today I am going to show you how to apply e-invoicing in TelePrime, or without any manual intervention, how can we use the e-invoice option in TelePrime. So first of all, we'll have to open our application. Then I am showing you the simple steps for setting our e-invoice options in TelePrime. First, go to this company menu, and then here you'll have to select the features option, or also you can press the F11 as a shortcut key to open the company features. And here you'll get the accounting features, inventory features, and statutory and taxation in the same window, like it was in a different options in Tele URP 9. We had to get it in different windows, like accounting features in a separate window, then inventory features and statutory taxation in different windows. But here in TelePrime we'll get all these features in the same window. And to set up the invoice options, we'll have to go to this enable goods and service tax and set it as yes, or if it is previously set as yes, then simply press the enter key so that the company GST details open up and we can fill the details in this window. So here, as we have enabled it before, so it has been set as yes, and all this GST number, then applicable from the places, state, all these locations and all has been set here previously. One of the main important features, the e-way bill applicable should also be enabled here. If it is set as no, we'll have to make it yes, so that we can enable the e-invoicing. So for going there, simply press the enter key and set it as e-way bill applicable, set it as yes. After that, now to set the e-invoicing, you will have to set as yes, and then set the applicable date. The e-way bill is applicable from 1st April 2021, which is the financial year starting date. From that date, for which one you will have to apply the e-invoicing, you will have to apply that date here. So I am setting it as 1/8/2021. After this, bill from place. So here we'll have to enable select the location from where we are going to apply our e-invoice. So we'll have to select the place name here. So I have set it the place name. After that, the default period for the e-invoice report is set as 3. You can change it up to 31 days. So you can change any for any number of days here. I am putting it as 10 days. Then send e-way bill details with e-invoice. You will have to set it to yes. Then simply press enter key and accept it all. Then press escape. After this setting of the e-invoicing option, we'll have to set the ISO code for currency masters. For that, you'll have to go to this gateway of Tele and then select alter from here. Press the enter key, select currency. Now here we can see the Indian rupees symbol has been shown here, or you can enter different currency symbols. For that you will have to go to this create option and then select this create new. So here you can enter different symbols or different currency symbols for different countries and set it up. Now as we are setting it for our Indian currency, so we will select this Indian rupee option and then press enter key. Here you will have to simply press this enter and accept it. This way you will have to set the ISO code for currencies. So these are the simple steps for creating applying an e-invoicing to set up in Tally ERP 9. There are further steps here which we will going to apply it afterwards. So that's all for today. Thank you.